I love this historic. Can, okay. Get into it, like the teeth part, you know, go deep, and then you can kind of go around. And be careful, it is hot. Just take a little bit. Perfect to taste.
You'll never know unless you try it.
Of course.
Yes.
Fabulous job, guys. Let's give each other a round of applause.